Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clean your Aerogarden Sprout. More importantly, the orifice that likes to plug up, causing the unit to stop working. I have already removed the reservoir from the unit and rinsed it out. So let's get started. You will need some tools for this. I have here a pair of 90-degree pliers, but most pliers should do the trick. For recording purposes, I have already loosened the orifice tube. So you're going to want to take your pliers and put them at the base of the orifice tube and rotate it counterclockwise, putting just enough force to where you don't crack the plastic, but enough where it grips into the material. And once you break it loose with your pliers, it should come off pretty freely. You should be able to get it by hand the rest of the way. Alrighty, now that we have that little component off, we can see here, this is the orifice that likes to plug up. And once you're at this point here, this component breaks down into three smaller components. There's the main housing, a little rubber seal you see here, and then a rod behind that seal. You could either bang it on the counter, like I am doing here, to disassemble everything, or you can pick out the seal and the inner rod should just pop on out. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. I do this cleaning once or twice a year, usually. Uh-oh, I lost my seal. Alrighty, let me clean the seal and the inside rod here, and I'll get right back with you. Now with the inside rod and the seal cleaned, we'll work on the outside housing. As you can see here, there's a good buildup here as well. A Q-tip and some hot water should do the trick. When cleaning the inside rod, make sure the bore is clean as well. And now that everything is thoroughly cleaned and put back together, we can install it back onto the reservoir. We will install and turn it clockwise. Turn until it stops. Now you're going to need your pliers again. You're going to want to get this orifice tube to point mostly forward. Just so long as it's mostly forward, you're good. You don't want to over tighten it. Now we install the reservoir back onto the unit and all the other components back onto the reservoir. And now for the planting.